In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Powered by Systeme.io branding in just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating a polished, professional website or refining your email communications, removing external branding can give your content a clean, personalized finish. Let's jump into it and remove that little banner from your pages and emails. To get started, we'll first open your preferred web browser and search for Systeme.io. Once you've located the website, log into your existing account. For those of you who haven't signed up yet, this is a great opportunity to do so. The process is straightforward and won't take more than a couple of minutes. Once you're logged in, we'll begin with your pages and funnels. Navigate over to the funnels or website section of your dashboard. The platform is user-friendly, so you should have no trouble finding these options. Select the specific funnel or page where you want to remove that pesky branding. This choice depends on which pages you're currently working on or planning to showcase. Now, let's dive into editing. Open the page editor by clicking the Edit button. It's usually easily accessible next to the page you selected. As the editor opens, pay attention to the various settings options available to you. Scroll to the bottom of the page until you find the Settings menu. This is where the magic happens. Within the settings, your focus will be on unchecked specific options that relate to external branding. Look for and uncheck the option labeled Display an Affiliate Badge to earn lifetime commissions. This simple action will remove the branding from your system. Pages. Don't forget to save these changes. Saving is crucial to ensuring your preferences take effect and the branding is removed successfully. Having tackled the pages and funnels, it's time to address branding within your emails. To do this, look for your profile picture in the platform's interface and give it a click. In the drop-down menu that appears, find and select Settings. Within the Settings menu on the left-hand side, there's an option for Emails. Click on that to access the email-specific settings. As you navigate through these settings, locate the option that says Display my affiliate link at the end of each email I send. Similar to the process with pages and funnels, uncheck this box to remove the affiliate link from appearing in your correspondence. Lastly, ensure that these changes are preserved by clicking the Save button. Saving is the final step when making changes within Systeme.io, ensuring the preferences stick across different sections of your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can keep your content free from the Powered by Systeme.io branding. This small change can have a big impact on the professional look and feel of your online presence, making sure your personal brand shines through. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!